It's KoasterKarl, K-A-R-L. Ride the waves, scream and yell. It's KoasterKarl, K-A-R-L. Join the fun, let's all tell.
At the Bahamas.
What do you see?
I see islands in the hill.
Where?
Over there.
Oh yeah.
Hi, digital viewers. You guys can clearly see little tiny islands, and those are the Bahamas.
Wanna go look?
Yeah. We're at the Bahamas.
Okay.
Right. It's just a bit chilly. It's just a bit chilly. See, wait for me. We're over here right now.
Yeah, we're in the sea. Right there.
It's right near to there.
It's right there. Check it out.
This is over there. Oh, you guys can see it. It's right over there. You guys can see it. It's right exactly. It's a rainbow.
It's a rainbow. You see it?
Yeah. Yeah, see it. It's right there. You can see it. No, why is it following us stuff?
It's pretty cool, huh?
The blue.
Seeing that rainbow right there.
It's cute. Oh, it's down here, water.
Look down there, water. Oh, you see the water.
We want water.
Another rainbow.
The rainbow water.
Oh yeah, there we go. Come on, baby. You holding back to your bow? Your bow's fine.
No, I'll show us right into it again.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Where are we? We're in the elevator?
Yeah. We're going down.
Oh, jeez.
We're going down.
Let's say this.
It's not a time machine.
It's like a time machine.
It's a hull.
You know it does look like it's a time machine.
How do you know what a time machine looks like? They don't exist.
I know. What? Show me.
I see.
I'm going to the right here.
Hello.
I'm going to go here.
We're gonna get chocolate. All the chocolate.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention
Wow.
a mandatory safety listening will take place in 15 minutes for
I
all
want
those
it.
who have yesterday and please return to
The benches are chocolates. You see?
Yeah. Oh, hi, little viewers.
You're eating a chocolate.
Yeah, eating a chocolate from the chocolate bar here, and I got a chocolate too.
Look at the
Right here.
look over there. It's an ice cream cone.
Right
That chocolate was delicious.
here. You saw before, right?
Yep. There we go.
You kiss. And here we go.
What do you think?
Ooh, I want to look outside.
Yeah.
Sparkle.
Sparkle.
Yeah, Sparkle's there. I'm waiting for her because she's my sister.
Sparkle stairs. Good job.
Happy.
Cheese.
I like that one. Sit down and Is that a little chocolate? I like one. Is that chocolate?
No, it's not a tugboat.
Sure safe.
It's just a boat. Here comes Nassau.
Wait, what? What did you say?
Making sure the glass is safe.
So here we go. Now we're here, and I want to go back
I want to
inside.
sit here.
Oh.
Alright, is that the butter?
Everyone will take a more than yeah.
Now look, we're sailing in to the Bahamas, to the first island, to Nassau.
A bird.
Can we almost drown?
Look.
I just had to be careful.
No, 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 no.
I never go to that.
What do you know, no, knowing?
That's so cool.
Backing us in.
Right. Too much sun for me. Three of these bad enough.
Here we go. This is the arcade. See? Yeah. Oh, the little baby slides are open. That's where we're going. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready. Watch your fingers, baby. Woo. Definitely my child.
What? We both have.
What do you think, Carl?
They have a fancy pool. Let's put a pool in our backyard.
You want to put a pool in our backyard?
Yeah. Let's put a pool in our backyard. I'm thirsty, but I think I do need ice cream because I need to have a drink.
You want to go get a drink?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I love it. Look, it's right there. There are languages here.
Yeah, they speak different languages.
And you guys better try this. It's so good, and it's here at the MSC. You guys will come. You would probably go everywhere at the ice cream stations, everywhere. I think so. I don't know if they have everywhere except here. Like they do.
You ready to go on an adventure to explore the ship?
We're always the 8th floor.
Yeah, we are. That's where all the stuff is, apparently. Oh boy.
I would break all the glass.
You're so brave.
No, I'm just gonna break all this one.
No, we don't break the grass. Oh, I don't like this at all. I don't like this.
Break glass.
I don't like this.
I break glass.
I'm gonna push back.
I
No,
break
sir.
glass.
No, sir.
I break glass.
No. Bye.
Bye. We're actually moving a little bit.
They are. No, we're not yet.
What?
There's nobody down there.
Say bye to the Caribbean princess.
Bye, Caribbean princess. Bye, Caribbean princess. See you later in Mexico.
Hey, buddy. Gotta come in. How many fingers are gonna get tattooed?
KoasterKarl's the name, speed is his game. Turn on notifications, never miss the frame. Videos dropping fast, thrill packed to the brim. Adventures are wild, come ride with him. Get your popcorn ready, buckle up tight. Every upload's a journey, every ride a flight. Karl's got the magic to make your day shine.